Hey guys, today we're going to walk through how to make a SkipTheDishes delivery account. First, open Safari on your phone and search for SkipTheDishes Courier login. From the search results, find the SkipTheDishes Courier page and tap on the link to open it. Once the page loads, look for the Apply Now option and tap on it to begin the application. Now enter your first name and last name in the required fields. Next, enter your email address and make sure you use an email account that you can access. After that, enter your mobile number in the provided field. Now enter your starting address and then select your city or town from the available options. Next, select your preferred contact language and create a password for your account. Before continuing, review the available terms and conditions and check the required boxes to confirm that you agree to them. Once all the required information has been entered and the boxes are selected, tap Create Account to submit your details. And that's how you can start creating your SkipTheDishes delivery account through the Courier application page. I hope this guide made the process easier for you. If it helped, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.